How to use Visa gift card online? Well, you can use your card for online purchases by entering the card number, the expiry date, and the 3-digit code CVV found on the back of the card. Occasionally, website will ask for the name of the card. In these instances, simply insert gift card in the field provided. Should the value of an item you're purchasing online exceed the value remaining on your card, your payment may not be accepted, and you will need to contact the merchant to confirm how the amount can be settled. Now, before doing that, before using your gift card online, you'll have to make sure that you have activated your Visa gift card. I'll make a separate video on how you can activate your Visa gift card. Now, on how you can redeem it is you can use your Visa gift card on online anywhere that you want to make a purchase where Visa card or the credit or debit card is accepted. Suppose you want to make a purchase online, and if they accept debit or credit card or Visa card as the payment method, then you can add in there your Visa gift card. Simply go ahead, and what you need to do is, suppose you want to make a purchase on Play Store, you want to add the Visa gift card on your Play Store, you can head into their payment methods option. There, I'll head in payments and subscriptions. Now here in this case here, you can see that there is no any option to add Visa card, right? If there is no any option to add Visa card, you want to simply tap on add credit or debit card and enter in your Visa gift card details here, and you'll be able to add it as your payment method. If there is a Visa card option, then you want to add your Visa gift card on the Visa card option and use it there as your payment method. So it's quite simple and easy. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.